Morning guys, so yeah, we're starting off the morning quite early. It's pitch black outside. I just got chucked in the back of the buck here because there's no space in the front for me. We got the buck here, the two guys there. Yeah, so so it starts. So I'm gonna take a 6-hour nap, and I suppose we'll wake up when we're there. Otherwise, there's not much else to see in the way. Traveling in style, young, but my 5-star accommodation, yeah. Morning, guys. It's quite cold now. Not used to these temperatures. Yo, it's beautiful out here, eh? Yes, look at it. Cinematic view. Okay, I'm gonna go back in my box now. Now, oh jeez, there's the sun. It's quite cold. I don't know where we are now. I think we're almost where we need to be. But yeah, so it's quite cold, eh?
Yeah. How's the problem, Nico? PCD is not the same.
Oh my goodness. Oh my word. How many hours till breakfast?
Probably about 2 to 3 hours.
Ah, it's not too bad.
We'll have some breakfast there.
Sponsored by Rick's Trailers, eh? Imagine.
Maar je moet mijn foto's op het sturen als je het klaar is.
Shit, oh, what's your head, yeah.
Ik wil zeggen, ik zie die serie die dat doen.
First gear. Are we lined up with the track? I'm fine. Like Anthony? Yeah, I'm fine. I'm right. Go.
I got it on video too, hey? Got myself falling there. I think that'll be a nice. Not to kill myself again. Watch where you're walking now. I'll just watch where I'm walking there. Yeah, we don't want no plumbers there. Accidental.
To make it an X-rated film.
Yeah. Okay, we're securing him down. And then we'll be on our way again. Only another, what, 7 hours home? Not too bad. Pulling in the 2.2. With the thick tires on it too. So we're stopping here. Where are we now? Allemaal North, ne? We're stopping for some lunch here.
Dit lijkt soos iets patroniek so. Ja.
The things you do to take a photo. There they are over there. Gonna drive past here and we're gonna try and get a motion shot here. Hopefully they don't leave me behind too far. So we're back now. Gonna park it. Is he reversing him in there?